Thank you, and good day to all the attendees of the Parkinson Association of Northern California's annual conference. My name is Drew Hatter, and I'm a Federal Government Relations Officer in the Public Policy Department at the Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson's Research. I'm sorry I couldn't be there in person, but I know you are all bringing passion and commitment to advocating for policies that will increase the quality of life for people with Parkinson's and their families. Now, today, I want to talk about one such policy that's a main priority for the Michael J. Fox Foundation in Congress right now. And it's one that we feel will really move the needle towards accelerating research and ultimately a cure for Parkinson's. The National Plan to End Parkinson's Act is bipartisan, no-cost legislation that will, for the first time, unite the federal government in a mission to prevent, diagnose, treat, and cure Parkinson's. It'll also alleviate financial and health burdens on American families and reduce government spending over time. The history-making national plan will create an advisory council comprised of members of federal agencies that support research, care, and services for Parkinson's, as well as including people with Parkinson's, their care partners, and non-federal experts, such as researchers and clinicians. The goal of this council is to ensure efficient and effective coordination among all federal entities with a responsibility for managing, treating, and curing Parkinson's disease. The House of Representatives has held multiple committee hearings during which an amazing advocate from the Parkinson's community had an opportunity to share his story about how PD impacts his life, his family, and the larger Parkinson's community. Now, during these hearings, many members of Congress were visibly moved, and many of them shared their own experience with a family member or loved one diagnosed with Parkinson's. Now, that's all to say, when our community talks, Congress listens. And that's where you come in. We need you to raise your passionate collective voices and urge your members of Congress to co-sponsor the National Plan to End Parkinson's Act. Right now, around 1 in 4 members of Congress have officially signed on to co-sponsor the national plan, a number that's ever growing. Now is the time to capitalize on our momentum to advance and pass this legislation. With every co-sponsor we add to the list, the closer we come to getting this legislation passed. That's why we need as many people as possible to reach out to their senators and representatives in Congress to support the National Plan to End Parkinson's Act. And we've made it easy for you to do just that. In the live stream chat and in your programs, you'll find a link to the petition that we created where you can add your name to tell Congress how critical this legislation is for people with Parkinson's and their families. We must end Parkinson's disease, and the National Plan to End Parkinson's Act offers an opportunity to take a critical step towards that goal. Now, as we gear up for 2024, both in Congress and in the State Assembly, we invite you to stay tuned for more ways to advocate for impactful Parkinson's policies with the Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson's Research. Whether you have an hour, a day, a week, or a month, we have a menu of advocacy opportunities for you to make your voice heard when it's needed most. Thank you again for your dedication to this work. Please continue your advocacy in support of your local Parkinson's organization like PANC. The work they do and the support they provide is unparalleled, and we are grateful for their partnership. Together, we will end Parkinson's disease. Thank you.